Hi friends, in this video I am going to explain the basic data pre-processing and data cleaning. I have taken the Titanic data set. First I include basic packages such as pandas.pd and numpy as np. In this every data set there are two types, train and test. First we want to read the CSV file. Mostly we have the CSV file to train and test. For this we use pandas to read it. And first thing is we want to know the column name. What are the columns that is in Titanic dataset? These are the columns which has been cleaned, and we used head. After we did the train.df, we used a head to know the top 5. In this head means first 5 dataset will be explained. If you need something like 10 dataset you want to visualize it, if you control 10, then top 10 data will come like head. And tail. Tail also means the bottom thing will come and explain. If you see the head and tail, you can see the NaN, null value. Most of the columns has a null values. To remove this, we will use the clean and thing, this and all. And describe is another thing which will say the how much count. For passenger it has 891, and for age 71 the count it was mean value, is standard deviation and minimum, and 25% and 50% and 75%. This describe is very much helpful for future references. And you want to find the how many null values are tracked. For example, if you print train.df is null.sum means all the null values if you calculate. In passenger ID or sex, name, P class all are 0. In age and cabin there are null values, and MX has 2 values. Let's see how to remove this null value. For example, we choose cabin to remove the null value. Instead of null value, if we can use fill NA to fill some value. I am going to fill with unknown. In 687 things I am going to fill with unknown. If you run this, then you can see that the cabin has 0. All the 687 has been filled with unknown. Like that we can remove the null values and clean the data set. Then we will shape. The shape will tell the rows and columns. There are 891 rows and 12 columns, and the data type of each column, whether it is a int or float or object. Object means mostly it will be a string, like that. A string and numbers should be complete, it will be represented an object, or it is an integer means it will come as int. After that we will go for an info. What are the infos are there? Info means the information, like it has 891 rows and no null values, and int is int 64. Like this you will get we are going to info for both the things. These are the very basic steps. I hope you all liked it. Please subscribe, like and share it.